Welcome to JH. Thinking about trying Redtail CRM? Let's walk through what it actually offers and if it's actually worth your precious time. Redtail is built specifically for financial advisors, helping you track clients and stay on top of tasks without losing your mind. The best selling point is that it's made for the financial world, not just any random business, which is great because generic CRMs are often about as useful as a screen door on a submarine for this industry. It actually understands compliance rules and plays nice with tools you already use, like Schwab and eMoney. So what can you actually do with it? You get automated workflows that handle those soul-crushing repeat tasks for you, and a calendar that actually syncs with Google and Outlook. There is client tracking where you can see every single interaction, and email broadcasting for those moments you need to message everyone at once. Plus, it has built-in reporting so you can finally pull data without spending 3 hours wrestling with a spreadsheet. It's almost like they want you to spend less time on admin and more time actually working. What a concept. When you sign up for a demo, you get full access to the growth plan for free with no credit card needed, which is a nice change from trials that feel like a trap. You can click around, test workflows with fake clients, and see how everything connects. The interface is pretty straightforward. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done without a massive learning curve. It's designed for efficiency, not for winning a beauty contest, which is probably for the best given how much time you'll spend staring at it. Here is where it gets interesting: the pricing. The launch plan starts at $39 per user each month if you pay yearly, which covers up to 5 users. If your team is expanding, the growth plan is $59 per user monthly with no user limit. Compared to other CRMs, this is pretty fair for what you get, although fair is a relative term when you're paying to organize people who probably don't answer your calls anyway. There is also an enterprise option if you need something custom and have the budget to match. The good stuff is that it's affordable, built for advisors, and has solid automation. The not so good? Some users mention that customer support can be a bit slow to respond, and it's not as flexible as a giant like Salesforce if you're looking for deep customization. However, if you're a financial advisor looking for a simple, affordable CRM that just works, Redtail is a solid choice. Try the free demo and see if it fits your workflow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, or don't. I'm a script, not your boss. See you next time.